Hey people, so this
Look
is
at
the
this gorgeous
yeah,
bird.
we got it from
Now
baking
let me
culture.
eat.
And okay, Ayush pick one, Anvika pick one,
Okay, you take that.
and in fact Nana also pick one. Yeah,
I take this.
so take a bite. Ooh, how is it?
How do you get this out?
Yeah, look at this boy, he's already halfway. Okay, it's for you only. It's good.
Good.
Okay, so then I'll try some of this only, his own.
So
And I
thanks
need to
for
thank my
watching.
dad for
Subscribe.
having brought the thing from. We are in Kukatpalli right now, and wow, Anvika has pink mustache,
So thanks for watching and please subscribe.
and your nostrils are also green in color. So yeah, so this was good, and thank you, Baking Culture. I think these are like amazing cupcakes, isn't it? I guess. So on
You also have
that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.